Hi, in today's rapidly advancing world of engineering and technology, managing engineering data from simulation tools and product lifecycle management system is more critical than ever. So, without the right tools, this complexity can result in inefficiencies, missed opportunities, and costly delays. So, considering this, Akira AI Agentic platform has launched AI agents as droids and AI teammates for engineering technology data. This agentic AI system is designed to automate ET data management from design analysis to simulation and failure prediction, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. So, now first explore the challenges businesses face in this workflow and how agentic AI transforms them. So, the vast amount of data from IoT devices, CAD system, and engineering tools often leads to fragmented data silos, making it difficult to achieve a unified view. Further, integrating this data into a single, cohesive system is daunting, leading to operational inefficiencies. So, running simulations also requires significant computational resources and precise scheduling, making workload management difficult. Finally, maintaining compliance with industry standards adds further complexity, increasing the pressure on engineering teams. So, how do we streamline these processes effectively? So, Akira AI multi-agent system for ET data management tackles these challenges through intelligent automation. The AI agent as orchestrator agent oversees all activities, ensuring smooth collaboration between specialized agents. So, firstly, the AI agents for data integration and knowledge management collects and unifies data from diverse sources, storing it in a centralized system for easy access. Next, the AI agent for design analyze initial designs, offering targeted improvements to boost efficiency while ensuring compliance with specified criteria. So, working alongside engineers, it integrates expert inputs into the design process. The AI agent for testing and simulation runs simulations on engineering data, providing key insights using advanced tools like MATLAB. Finally, the monitoring agent tracks prototyping in real time, ensuring compliance with industry standards and generating quality reports. So, once everything checks out, prototypes can move seamlessly to industrial manufacturing and installation. So, with Akira AI's multi-agent system, businesses can reduce manual tasks by up to 50%, cut time to market by 30%, and improve product quality. It also reduces downtime by 20% and ensure 100% compliance with industry standards. Further, it also boosts productivity by up to 25%. Further, integrate AI agents effortlessly into your existing legacy systems. Now, let's move on to the live demo and see how this system transforms your ET workflows.
Welcome to the Akira AI interface, where specialized agents streamline ET data management. Upon logging in, you'll see the dashboard with real-time metrics like rotor data integrity, bearing temperature trends, and rotor speed variations, sourced from Neurio Phase 1 and 2. The system tracks key performance indicators like latency, accuracy, and compliance with regulatory standards. You can ask queries such as, how can I improve the 5-to-1 gear ratio for better torque? Can you simulate motor performance under high wind conditions? How can adjusting the gear tooth profile improve efficiency? You can also view the design analysis, which provides insights into optimization opportunities. With Akira AI, you can access data-driven insights, enhance operational efficiency, and optimize your engineering processes. This concludes our demo. To transform your business with the power of Akira AI's multi-agent systems, visit our website and discover how, with Agentic AI, you can unlock new possibilities for your enterprise.